Yeah, deploying Blazor hosted web app to Azure App Service from Azure repository. Okay, cool. So new pipeline, the CI pipeline already, whichever I have, just jumping there. So going to the classic editor as a easy, and then I'm choosing which repository, if it's from GitHub or Azure repo, as a right way, right? I have from this, and then repository is this particular one, and then from which branch I had to configure, just choose that, continue, and then here instead of YAML mode, I'll just go with the default one. I mean to say core, ASP.NET Core. We should choose properly, otherwise it won't work for other things. And Windows specification, usually Windows latest as the best. Yeah, here we should choose which project has to be built. If I mention this, everything will be built. Instead of that, if I wanted to specifically build which project has to be, then I had to mention the path from root to the up to that level. I'll just mention that. Okay, this is just confirmation and restore. Again, here same thing. And for this hosted scenario, one of the twist is at the place of this particular on publish, we should uncheck this publish web projects. We should untick this, and here go here and unlink. Yeah, this is the must case. Unlink this. Then I had to mention which is my project folder. For example, in my case, I'll just show you quickly with the example. This dual screen. Okay, this is my code. Okay, under which my one second, let me open the solution and also just show you the code both. Even though my project is multi folders, layered, all those things, I have my startup project for the hosted project. This is my startup project. So I should give the path up to this place. I mean, let me take up into some notepad. So here up to this path is my physical folder path. Just leave this, remaining this path. So I had to be sure of this should be in the format of Linux slash, and then okay, yes, okay. This is what I should give. So when I give this, it saves my build time and as well it is quick. See, path to project solutions. So I had to mention star star slash this. So the advantage is one sec. Instead of searching for full folder, all those things, it will just directly check for this particular one. Okay, and then here also, what you need to publish to artifact, because this is only CI. So here over the CI, one sec. Okay, yeah, path to publish again. If you click on that particularly, so it will just show you. So source, this is my project, and then this is the one I'm choosing. Okay, now coming back to my solution, I just opened it in my another screen. See, this is my solution. See, in my project, I have multiple presentation layers. I mean, these all are Blazor projects. Okay. But I have my hosting project that is in this one, API hosting project. This is the main. In this hosting project, I have API as well, my Blazor one. Okay. Probably this is where even I also get confused earlier, and now it's been fixed. So this is having dependence. It's been still loading actually. One sec. Only one sec. Okay, one sec. Why it is building time? Okay. See, my startup project, everything is this one. Actually, dependencies why it is not loading. Maybe Visual Studio got updated. That is the reason. Okay, no worry. My startup project is this one. It is having a reference of this API and my Blazor project. Okay. So now, so this particular whole thing is, so that is the reason I just mentioned up to this folder. I just mentioned the folder source src, this one, and then this one .cs project. Okay. Now jumping back here. So, yeah, that is what I mentioned. One sec. Actually, even if you mention this also it works, but better mention this. So it takes relative path. Okay, just this one. Star star, whatever is the root folder, source slash this one, blah blah blah, all these things. Okay, so it will be dropped. This is for CI configuration. Okay, just for confirmation, I'll just verify with whatever is existing. Sorry, not this. Just a second. Okay, sorry. That starting star star is not required because I am in the root folder. That is the reason it's not required. Totally everywhere I am just mentioned this. Okay, of this folder. Nothing. Okay, uh, and yeah, this one build dot artifact staging directory. I mean, you can path to publish. You can publish full folder, or if you want just particular folder, that is enough. I mean, this path to publish. Yeah, this one better to be this way. Okay, this one also clear. And if I don't want, because for testing purpose I'm just disabling this. Disable selected task, build, configuration, restore. Yeah, here I don't, if I don't want something, it's better to unlink, because even if something unit test case or something is failing, it just simply kills our time. That is the reason I always disable whichever I don't want for my pipeline. Okay, this is how I'm configuring CI pipeline. Okay, and for the CD, yeah, one logic kind of a tweak or something which I learned through the Blazor, even though I'm working in the Microsoft from so long. The thing is, we should create this and run it, and then once the drop is created, I mean the artifacts are created, then go for releases, then go for creating the new release pipeline. Okay. Azure app, yeah, as usual, Azure App Service I'm doing. Okay, I'm choosing whatever the name, add an artifact, and build. What is my source pipeline? For example, I have already this one. Sorry, not this. What is my town CI? One sec. Okay, yeah, this is the one I'm choosing, and yeah, that's it. Tin, tin, tin. Okay, and here while choosing the job, deploy Azure service. Okay, yeah, this is as usual. Okay, nothing in this. Yeah, this is where the logic comes. Here, actually, that is we are dropping the artifact, and then I had to choose the artifact, right? So I should properly choose this here and choose the proper one. Actually, I one second, I'll just show you the glitch. Currently, I just delivered only one this zip file. Okay, I mean, I have chosen exactly this particular one. If I didn't chosen this, then what used to happen? It used to show multiple artifacts. One second, I'll just show you that. Only one sec. That is where I actually it killed my time. Okay, I'll just show you. See, I'll just show you. Oh, I think it got overwritten. The reason what happens if I have multiple projects, CS project is mentioned, then you it used to show multiple .zip file. That is where it gives the. You got it right. Yeah, that is where the confusion. Yeah, totally. For the hosted web app, the logic is simple. Choose the properly CS pipeline, what is the right way, and then once after generating the CI pipeline properly, use that artifact and create what do you call CD pipeline. Yeah, that's it. That is the only logic.